Good morning to all viewers in my YouTube channel. I'm telling the latest updates of Delhi flood news. The Jamuna, which had been inspected for the past 2 days and had crossed the danger mark, rose to its highest level on record and began to submerge low-lying areas on Wednesday. The river was flowing at 207.95 meters at 9 p.m., having breached the previous highest mark of 207.49 meters, reached in 1978. The Central Water Commission said the level would peak at over 208 meters around 8 to 10 a.m. on Thursday and then start falling around 2 p.m. To cheat the people, nothing is possible against nature, which proved the Jamuna River. The rising water goes into low-lying areas, colonies and markets. The authorities evacuated 16,564 people. About 14,534 of those took refuge in tents pitched by the Delhi government and under flyovers. All flyovers in Delhi were full of people and their cattle. In overnight, hundreds of slum dealers and residents of housing societies near the river bank have become homeless. Their houses submerged in the swirling flood waters of the Jamuna River. The National Disaster Relief Response, along with the civil volunteers, continuously taking rescue operations for the affected people. Far and wide, you see the devastation of the flood in Delhi. Tucci and God saved them from their limitless pain of floods. Already, a lot of people has died. In lost you think before the nature power, we are nothing, so don't do anything against nature. You people should mind that we are also a part of nature. And finally, I request all of you to give us inspiration by pressing like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Your small shaking will give inspiration.